just in time for Christmas. Join us for a festive ride through one of Japan's most charming coasters, the Elf Rollercoaster at Hirakata Park. As twinkling holiday lights glow across the park and the crisp winter air sets the scene, this little wooden wonder is ready to spread some Christmas cheer. Let's check out that front row POV.
Bumpy, bumpy. Might be the bumpiest roller coaster we've ever been on.
The ride was very, very bumpy. I even hit my head, but it was nice.
If you want to see more of the park, you can check out our full day vlog. We also have on-ride POVs of all of the other major attractions. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. We will see you in the next video.